I'm challenging myself to bake a delicious fruit cake to share kindness with my whole family. Let's see if I can pull it off. Baking a fruit cake is perfect for special occasions. It's a treat that is enjoyable. A good fruit cake should be moist and full of flavor, with a perfect blend of aroma and sweetness. The combination of flavors and textures is just perfect, baking a delicious treat for all. All family will love it, and it's a great way to spread kindness, baking and sharing a delicious meal. Anyone can make this delicious treat. Just follow the recipe and tips, and you'll have a beautiful cake to share with your loved ones. When it comes out of the oven, the cake is beautifully golden brown, with a crispy crust and a moist interior. Baking this fruit cake was a fun and noble experience, and it's a great treat for all. If you've ever made a fruit cake before, leave a comment below and share your experience. Or check out my other baking videos for more delicious recipes.